The Starfish story, a small act that changed everything. Sometimes we think we're too small to make a difference, that our actions don't matter. But one morning, on a quiet beach, a young boy proved how powerful even the smallest act can be. After a big storm, thousands of starfish were washed up on the shore. The tide had gone out, leaving them stranded under the burning sun. If they stayed there, they would soon dry up and die. A young boy was walking along that beach. He bent down, picked up a starfish, and gently threw it back into the sea. Then another and another, he was continuously throwing them one by one. An old man walking nearby noticed him. He watched for a while, then called out, "Boy, what are you doing? Look around. There are thousands of starfish here. You can't possibly save them all. What difference can you make?" The boy paused, looked at the starfish in his hand, and smiled. He threw the starfish into the water and said softly, "It made a difference to that one." The old man stood still, thinking about those words. After a moment, he bent down, picked up a starfish, and tossed it into the sea too. Soon, others walking by began to notice. One by one, they joined in, and before long, dozens of hands were helping, saving hundreds of starfish together. What started as one boy's small act of kindness became something much bigger. You may not change the whole world, but you can change someone's world. And sometimes, that's all it takes. So never underestimate your small acts of kindness, because to someone out there, they might mean everything. Moral: you may not be able to change the entire world, but you can change someone's world, and that matters.